Hello everybody, this is Benita. Welcome back to my tutorial series on WooCommerce discounts. In this video, we're going to learn how to display upcoming discounts in cart if customers spend more. Well, we're going to use the popular WooCommerce discount plugin called Discount Rules Pro for WooCommerce to create such discounts. Before we get into the video, please make sure you have downloaded, installed and activated the Discount Rules Pro plugin on your site. If you haven't done this yet, then please do not worry because we have a video that can help you to install the Discount Rules plugin which we have posted already. You can find the link to download the plugin as well as the tutorial video in the description below. Feel free to check the description below for further details. With that being said, let's get started. So these promotional messages are helpful when we want to let customers know that they're going to get a discount if they spend more on the cart page. Alright, so this will definitely help increase average order value and encourage customers to buy more items and claim their offers. Alright, so in this video we're going to learn how to create these promotional messages that encourages customers to buy more based on the money they spend. Alright, so to do this, let's first go to the WordPress dashboard. Under WooCommerce, you'll find Woo Discount Rules, and here's where you can start creating your rules. Now, to display the upcoming discounts based on customer spending, it's very important for us to configure rules using additional conditions such as subtotal. This subtotal condition is a must for creating promotional messages for displaying upcoming discounts on the cart page. Alright, nice. So before we go ahead and create the rule, it's important for us to configure the promotional message, isn't it? So let's go to the settings tab. And if you go further below to the promotion settings, the very first thing you'll notice is a condition based promotion. Alright. So in the previous video, we have dealt with the cart quantity promotion. I've shown you how to configure one and I've also shown you the end result. But in this video, let's only focus subtotal promotion. Alright. So all that you have to do is click on subtotal promotion. And the second thing that you can do is select the pages on which you would like to show these promotional messages. I've selected all the 4 pages, which is shop, product, cart and checkout page. You can also select the pages that you want these display messages to be available. Alright, after you do that, simple. That is how we enable the promotional message for subtotal promotion. All that we have to do is save those changes. And the second step is to customize this promotional message. Let's go ahead for the customization. Let me take you to the Discount Rules tab, and here you're going to start your creation of the rule where you can customize the promotional message as well. Alright, nice. So I'm going to tell you the scenario that we're trying to accomplish. We're going to offer 10% discount on each product when subtotal reaches $500 in their cart. Alright, so this is the rule that we're trying to create. So let's click on Add New Rule and enter a discount title, which is going to be 10% off on each product if subtotal is 500 or above. Alright, so when it reaches 500, we're going to give 10% off on each of those products. Nice. Let's select the discount type to be product adjustment from the drop down below, and then leave it to all products, meaning customers can buy any product but it should reach 500 in total and then they can claim the discount. Next, let's set the discount type and value to 10 as we're giving 10% off. Here comes the important step. To display this upcoming discounts, we're going to click on Add Condition. And remember, it's very important to add this subtotal condition to the rule. So click on subtotal here, set it greater than or equal to 500. Okay, nice. So if you have enabled the promotional messages from the settings, you'll be able to see these steps where you can configure the message, right? So make sure you enable it from the settings, after which you will see this promotional message column. So here, the first step is to set the threshold value. The threshold value is nothing but from which subtotal you would want customers to see these messages. Okay, so here I'm going to enter 100. If I enter 100 here, it means if customers have products added to their cart that sums up to 100 then they will be able to see this promotional message which says spend more and get 10% discount on each of those products added to their cart. Alright, so the threshold value is the basic value or the least value from which you want customers to see this promotional message. Nice. Now after we've entered the threshold value, it's important for us to set the message which is displayed to the customers. I'm going to write a message that is similar to the example. Below is the example given. Let me copy the same and paste the message here. Discount on each of them. It is important for us to enter the message and keep the shortcode here as it is. You can edit the text but keep the shortcode as it is, because this shortcode retrieves the exact amount needed for customers to qualify for this 10% discount. Alright, so let's enter a message, keep the shortcode as it is. After we enter a message here, let's go ahead and save and close this specific rule. Nice, we have created the rule, we have also configured the promotional message. Now it's time for us to test it. To test this, I'm going to take you to the storefront. So far we do not see any message on shop page even though we have enabled it, because we must add products to the cart and have the subtotal value of our cart at least 100 to see this promotional message, right? So let me add the sunglasses to cart and this polo to cart. Alright, nice. Now that we have two products added to the cart, I'll take you to the cart page. And here, since our subtotal value is right now 1110, right? So it has reached the threshold value. And hence you see a promotional message that says spend $390 more and get 10% discount on each of them. So the shortcode is being active here, isn't it? So it has retrieved the value. And we need to have 390 more subtotal to claim this 10% discount on each of them. Okay, nice. So let me take you back to the shop page and show you that the message is also displayed in the shop page as we have enabled it in the settings. Similarly, it will be also shown on the checkout page. See? Yes, also on the separate product page. For example, if we go to this product, you'll also see the message on the product page. Okay, now it's time for us to go to the cart, increase our cart value so that we reach at least 390 more and receive 10% discount. Okay, so I have added products to my cart and now my subtotal has reached 500, and you can see 10% discount is applied on each of the products that are added to my cart. This is how we display promotional message, the upcoming discounts on the cart page or in the different pages using the promotional messages. Thank you so much for watching.